We are in Chinatown, and Bangkok's Chinatown is one of the largest in the world, founded in 1782.
Yaowarat Road is the main street of Bangkok's Chinatown and is one of the most expensive areas for real estate in Bangkok. It's well known for its variety of eateries, and at night it turns into a huge street food market.
Yaowarat Road has been the main centre for trade for the Chinese community in Bangkok for 200 years. Before that, the Chinese community were based at the location of what is now Bangkok's Grand Palace. They had to move to allow for the palace to be built.
The main attractions in Bangkok's Chinatown are shopping, eating and Chinese opera.
My favourite!
There are loads of gold shops if you're in the market for some new jewellery, and you can also buy a variety of other goods including souvenirs, clothing, electronics and antiques.
We're going to explore a little bit, so let's go!
Let's go! Yaowarat Road was the first official commercial area of the capital over 200 years ago. The road was originally called Yaowarat Road and later changed its name to Yaowarat Road, which means Young King. That king was King Rama V, who took the throne at just 15 years old. Prior to this, the area was just rice fields and canals. The buildings here have changed so little that during the production of the film In the Mood for Love, set in 1960s Hong Kong, the director decided to shoot the movie's atmospheric nighttime scenes in Bangkok instead. Traditionally, Chinese lanterns like these are red and oval-shaped. In China, the colour red is believed to symbolise warmth, happiness and good fortune. The lantern is thought to bring protection and good luck. One of the weirdest scams in Thailand involves gem hustlers telling tourists that the whole of Chinatown is shut down in the hopes that the gullible person will visit their uncle's jewellery shop instead. Tesco Lotus, owned by Britain's biggest retailer, is opening 250 express stores in Thailand every year for the next 3 years. This will bring the total to 2,250 stores in Thailand by 2021, a sure sign that the economy here is booming.
Tuk-tuks are definitely the most fun, but also the most terrifying way to get around Chinatown. They can sometimes be quicker than taking a taxi because they can fit through tight spaces that cars can't. They don't usually have meters though, so make sure you agree a price in advance so you don't get ripped off. So we've just come to a restaurant in Chinatown and we have ordered we've ordered a lot of food. We've ordered some
way too much.
Fried squid, some barbecue pork, some roast duck and some fried rice.
Huge garlic fried rice.
Yeah.
Absolutely starving. So
we walked for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
So I think we deserve some really nice food. And we will show you when it gets in. So I'm going to try the barbecue pork first. No sauce, just to see how it is. Oh, very nice. Like good char siu, just really nice. Like fatty, not too fatty, a little bit fatty, kind of sweet and smoky. Very good. And I'll try some roast duck. Piece of the roast duck. Like more fatty. Not quite as good as the pork. Really nice flavour. Yeah, duck is nice, but pork is best.
Right, so I'm going to review the garlic fried rice, see what it's like. A lot of it, as promised. So. Yeah, the garlic's really good. It's not too overpowering, but it's sort of medium garlic. Let's try some of this squid fella. See that? No. good. In this unexplained dip. Not sure what that is, but wow. Yeah, very good. I think I just took all the squid out of the batter. I think it's basically just batter left now. But yeah, it's quite soft. It's not normally squid can be quite chewy. But this is really nice soft squid. Quite a lot of batter, but I don't mind that. I'm not sure what this sauce is. Might be sort of orange. Not sure. Yeah, it tastes orangey, or like zesty. Yeah. Well, really nice, whatever it is.
No idea. Tastes good.
Yeah. Let's go with orange.
I'm gonna eat now.
Okay.
Bye. We're so full that we can barely walk, but we're still going to check out what fresh produce and street food is on offer. Restaurant owners from all over Bangkok come here to buy their ingredients, and the quality of the food is so good that people will travel for many hours just to eat here. Durian is the Marmite of the fruit world. Either you love it or you hate it, and in its raw form it smells so bad that it's banned from many public spaces across Asia. Chinatown is famous for having some of the best street food in Bangkok. Many of the food carts and restaurants in Chinatown are family run, with some being passed down through several generations. You can get a decent meal from a cart here from around 40 to 90 baht, but it can vary depending on the food you're buying.
If you like this video and want to see more of the world with us, make sure to hit subscribe.
And if you want to find out the best places to visit, most delicious foods to eat and coolest things to do on your travels, click the link in the description to sign up to our mailing list on teamomani.com.
And be sure to check out our other videos.
Thanks for watching.